Skit. My name is Fricka. I'm a serial crafter. I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a lot of everything. Shark! Hi, how are you, Shark? Today we're streaming together with the raid train from Crafters and Drafters, the Summer World Tour. We are a part of a raid train that is going on for 7 days with 50 amazing stops around the world to some amazing streamers. Everyone so creative. I will update my book later. So yeah, how is everyone? Let's catch up with chat. Samsara, hello, welcome in. Understand it can be a delicate subject. I don't know enough about it, so I'll say nothing toward offending anyone. That's okay. Demo, morning, hello, and how are you? Welcome back, Vixen. Okay, so we put down the base coat on these. I don't know what they're called in English, but the thing inside the mushroom. We're now gonna be painting just the rim of this. No, actually I think we're gonna do the dry brush. Quite chill today, but then 3 straight outing days. Woo! Samsara, thank you for the follow and welcome in. Wow, this is absolutely fantastic. Like, streaming together with everyone today, and like, oh, I absolutely love this. Like 4 years, like being able to pick a stream day on a raid event and actually being able to pick the day of my first stream 4 years ago. Like, that's fantastic. I so love this. Yeah, those thingies inside the mushroom. I don't know what things are called, okay? I speak Danish. And those are in Danish, those are kind of called lamella. Gonna head off to bed too, but now I can find you again. Happy 4 years streaming. Thank you so much, Samsara, and thank you so much for the follow. I really do appreciate it. Welcome to the Brushlicker family. Okay. Yeah, my brain, you know. We're just lightly gonna dry brush this, and we're gonna just to draw out some texture, and we're gonna add more on this. Time to, hey, Shark, did you take your meds? It is a brush licker. The brush licker is the one you see on screen down here. Like that guy. That's a brush licker. He is part of a universe I created throughout the past many years. I spent all of last month writing up a first draft of a story. Thank you, Mel. I understood. Yep, coffee needs to be heated. But no, the brush licker is a part of a universe I created that everything takes place on my desk. I am making a mushroom. I am painting up this little guy. This guy is a farming mushroom. He has a carrot in his hand. and I'm painting up the top. It's one like I 3D sculpt stuff, and also paint other miniatures and stuff. But this is one of my own sculpts that I did this year, and he's a part of what I do. Yeah, painting with coffee, that's so much fun. And the best thing about painting with coffee is that the smell of the artwork after. I've been doing painting with coffee as well. Also, for those who like to stick around and like this community, I can tell you that I run a challenge every month. And this month, this is actually all about summer. So you get a chance to participate in a challenge if you are up for it. It's super fun. It's no pressure. It's just for the fun of it. And we've been running the challenge for 3 years now. Yeah. Yes, the image of the bag is fresh coffee beans with a cup of coffee next to it. Painted out of coffee on paper. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. I love doing the different kind of things art wise. I have done a lot of that stuff over the years. Let's see. Also, Supreme. Look, we're gonna be painting Zoom Zoom. That's awesome. This is Zoom Zoom. This is the Brushlicker family car. It also have a brush logo. So yes, this is Zoom Zoom. I have an entire range of different characters, right? Some of them are on my... some of them are tools, some of them are different stuff. But I make a lot of things. Okay. That one we need for that. And then we need another brush. I do traditional painting mostly on wood with acrylic crafting paint. I also color and do a bullet journal planner and a few other paper crafts. Oh, nice. I kind of do bullet journaling, more planning actually. I have a headache diary where I fill in everything. So yeah. How many brushlickers can you fit in a brushlicker car? Supreme. Zoom Zoom is like a clown car. It has unlimited space. And went out to be sold and got on the wall on a little coffee shop in New Hampshire, England. Oh, nice, princess. That's awesome. Gotta take care of you to his video. Tenny, hug the beep out of the kit and I'll speak to you soon. It is a clown car. It kind of has to be, right? It kind of has to. Kind of has to be a clown car because all of my characters. I have so many, right? That's how it is. Shady sells some of the stuff we make over on the Ko-Fi shop, but I mainly just like to make stuff. Right? That's not a bad price, actually. And yes, like Supreme says, bragging right. Yeah, I tend to end up giving stuff away. I end up giving stuff away. I love giving stuff away. I love spoiling everyone else. That's how I am. So we're gonna apply a little bit of shade because I like the way the color is on it. Normally I would paint. A lot of painters don't use the shades. They just use it to get darker stuff. I do as well, but I like the color, so I use it as a part of the toolbox. But I like the brown color, but it needs a brown underneath because it's so thin. A little penguin collection needs a proper shrine. Okay. Then you need to do something about it. Start sculpting. No. I mostly just like the process of creating. I think that's one of the things when I do stuff. I love the process. And I think that's one of the things that does, like, you need to start sculpting. I collect hobbies, or so a lot of people will say. I kind of like this. I collect hobbies. I have a thing. And collect hobbies. I pick a new craft or a focus craft each year. To learn or to focus on. Like this year it's been what do you call it? Dice. However, I haven't been able to, like, I've done from, like, created a font for using on the computer and stuff, but also for the dice. I've created especially for, like, the whole process. Nothing is being used other than the dice shapes. So yeah. I'm currently making silly little video game. Nice. Nice, Riddling. I like what people like. I like that we have so many amazingly creative people in the community. But that's also why I like this raid event, right? Because you get to meet so many amazing people that are creative. And I like that. We're just slowly lining this with the first coat of what is going to be on the outside of the cap here. Like I said, this is going to be a button mushroom once it gets done. And it will need quite a few layers. Also color-wise. But we gotta start somewhere, and it takes time, and all of a sudden we have something that looks like something. But we are now in what is called the ugly stage. No sound and stuff. Hi, Maddies. Let's see. But no, like right now we're working on the ugly stage. But this is the first start. Sadly, it's like super hard to see on the camera because my camera sucks at picking up color. But this is the start of the cap. So yeah. Thanks, Supreme. Sucky! Yay! Can't wait. And take your time. We're here. We are here for when you're ready. We're here when you're ready. So take it easy. Joined the last event and really enjoyed this event a lot. Yeah, like this is absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love it. I'm really a big fan of when Supreme puts on events. This is my second raid train. It should have been my third, but last time I had to pull out due to back issues. So yeah, I'm supposed to pick up youngest, but it started to rain heavily. I think he can wait a few minutes. Yeah, the rain quieted a bit down here, so yeah. Snack time. Thank you, Vietling. Let's eat a date. That's amazing. Thank you for sharing that. Yeah, I know. Second official. There's still mentioned a lot of last popped. And when you cut, yeah. I know. I know health like I know, Supreme, but like it just annoyed me. Well, it's been like all of a sudden it just got dark here, Riddling, and just started raining like crazy. Okay. Now we start the fun process of mixing colors. Even more than we've been doing. The place I'm at is famous for rain, but we had bad 4-day stretch of temp near 100 coming up. Oh no! I don't like heat. I don't like heat. Okay, now I'm doing something a lot of miniature painters like frown upon. I hold the mini in my hand because that gives me way more like ability to do stuff. Let's see. This is a good color. This is a good color. I like. Don't go to Malta in April as it's their rainy season and it's absolutely pouring down. Any other time that I know of is very warm. I can't paint with gloves on. I have done a few times, but like it just does not work for me. So like I tend to try and hold mostly like the top and the bottom of the model. So yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh. Funny fact. All of my cousins are living in the States. Technically, that's not true anymore. One moved back to Denmark. But this is the first time he's actually living in Denmark. He grew up in the Netherlands. He was born in the Netherlands, grew up in the States. Because both of my aunts migrated to the States. So, yeah. Yeah. But no, I'm born and bred Danish, but my aunts and uncles migrated to the States. I have been to the States, visit a few times when I was younger, a lot younger. But I don't travel that far anymore due to health. But we're going to the Netherlands later this year, and I'm absolutely really looking forward to it. Yes, bread. Bread. Like, you know, delicious bread. So we're starting to get some colors on this guy. Half Maltese. Oh. Yeah, I was born in Denmark. I grew up close to Copenhagen. And now I live on the south of Copenhagen. And absolutely love it. So yeah. We've been living here for 18 years. And I'm so happy. And now the oldest live in right smack in the center of Copenhagen almost. So yeah. No, I imported the guy, the husband from the wrong side of the bridge over to me. I was actually born overseas in Seoul and came to the States as a baby at 20 months. Oh! So look Korean, but do not speak or sound it. Not the wrong side of the bridge, guys! No. I imported my shady. I imported my shady. It's a, for those who don't know, it's a Danish thing. Yes, you would. We actually almost bought a house outside of Vade, but ended up opting out of it. And now we're happy that we got a house in Falster instead. It isn't Sweden, but hey, the Swedes can stuff as well. Since I came here, I do celebrate all holidays. My culture only celebrates birthdays, New Year's, and of course, National Korean Day. Yeah. Well, then it's a lot of holidays. So yeah. Let's see. We need to add a little bit of color to this. So we actually did get to do more than just sketch out today. but it will still... I'm gonna see if I can finish this one. West Coast, okay. I have family in... some family that lives in Colorado and some in... in where the beep is the other end. You can hear I don't have contact with the other aunt. But one aunt and some of my cousins are in and around the Boulder, Denver area. And then I have other family that is in, I believe, San Diego. And then I have a cousin that lives at Lake Tahoe, I believe. And then I have one cousin that lives in Denmark now, because he just moved back, which I'm like super grateful for, because it's nice to have him close by. So yeah. Mageson, hello, how are you? And welcome in. You're just joining us at the end of the stream today. We're only streaming 2 hours-ish. So yeah. My favorite holiday is on the 17th of May. Is that your birthday? Is that why it's your favorite, Princess? Let's see. This is actually turning out to be a very nice undercoat here. So I'm actually starting to like the undercoat on this guy, which also means that I can now work with top coat and stuff. So the International Day Against Homophobia and Biophobia and Transphobia. Oh! Well, I understand why you picked that one. I think my favorite holiday time, if I need to pick something, is around my kids' birthdays. Like my neurodiversity, I put that out and people tell me I look different and why I put it out too. Yeah. Well, I'm different. I'm special. I'm unique, and luckily all humans are unique. And it's more fun to be different. Let's see. We're now slowly being able to add color higher up and getting the transitions right and stuff like that. The first thing I did was to sketch out color. Yes, exactly. Everyone belongs. Yes, I know. But everyone belongs and we still hate people. Like, but that's people. We like people, but we hate people. Don't take any offense, anyone, but that's how we are. No. I absolutely, like... I love being surrounded by different people. Okay, I kind of see I should have filled in some gaps, but... Yep. Yeah. We know. But you are on like, I'm so jealous. You are on vacation now. I still have to take care